and Igbo na-enwe. The land of Igbos is on fire right now. All of you people that are slaughtering your fellow human being, do a bonny Igbo in a one nego, in a beat on one nego, is a plano, is a plano, or just kidnap your own brother, or just kidnap your own Igbo brother. Because of money, you collect that money. What shall we profit a man to gain the world and lose your soul? We are planning how Igbo will be a better place, how Igbo will be a paradise, how Igbo will be a London, how Igbo will be a very good place. Our brothers, our sisters, because Igbos in this country, Igbos are scattered all over the world, but we are struggling and trying our best to bring them back home. But you decided kidnap get the mad Igbo land. This is why anybody wako, all those people that are responsible for kidnapping your brother or your sisters in Igbo land, in one nego, what shall we profit a man to gain the world and lose your soul? Go on madi boy your brother, madi boy your mother, madi boy your father, give one wego, Nejewe, Ijebo one nego bonibo, Ijeton one nego, Iboy in Ebundozo because of her the lego. Can you guys open a house one nego? I got happy. Open a house one hemotala, I got happy. Open a house one nego, I got happy. Open a madi boy your family member, I got happy. Oh now, that he say we say bakwa, or to uncommon has a bakwa, or to a honda he nebu, that he jebun mebu, or that he's a focus on of now wusife, fane bakwa, and I throw her bakwa, Manamala, no brafa, no brafane bakwa, Manamala no brafane bakwa, and the broad of Abraham gave me, Oga fight. Yes, when you get in care, need a weapon. You can do whatever I want to do in Igbo land. But listen to me, Obrasrika, when we only got innocent broad, never gonna free. Onosquago protection. Osquago Ogaranya. As long as equal for Gobramadi Begu, oh, a gardener free. China can kill any gonna do against Madibo Madibe, equal for Bramadi Begu. Can't you guys do Obuna Madiburu your father, or boy your mother, or boy your sister, can only get you a feed. I walk a fogo phone, if I hope Madi Mego, Organigima, Emily Onoso, Ebuza Madibegum, anybody wako, that God that deliver Igbos, Mwana she wipe all the Igbos on this earth. Mwana no Biafran war had decided that they will wipe Igbos away on this earth. But God of Igbos, God of Abraham, Isaac and Jacob was to know that they will not wipe Igbos away on this earth. That is the same God that helped the Igbos in Biafran war. Plan out of this earth. We come to fight for Igbos in this time. That is the same God that the angel of God in Igbo land. Muhammad plan Igbo away on this earth. That is an angel. We call upon you to come down in Igbo land. Oh Lord, my Father, that angel, that angel is sending on this Igbo land. That angel, we need it here. We need it here right now because a lot of things is going on in Igbo land. That angel, we need that angel here in Igbo land. We need that angel with a sword of war. We need that angel. Alona Aluzi, over innocent Igbos never.